I'm playing Piggy, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you my Piggy maps. Right now I only have two because I don't want to try to buy any Piggy maps, and I don't have a gift card right now, so I can't cash out any Robux. And yeah, it's gonna take a while for me to get to my server, so I'll just speed up that progress. So as the title says, and the title is probably gonna be my Piggy maps, or my Piggy Titanic map, but whichever one I choose. Here's the first map I will show you. Let me just go to settings so I can play. Okay, and now time to load in my biggest map yet. Wait for it to load, guys. It takes some time. Now it's not finished, but it's in the progress of being done. I just need one more floor. Well, I have made it so that you can finish it, but once I make the extra floor and make like the Titanic all black and everything, red and yellow right here, then yeah, I will pretty much I will finally complete the Titanic. So it doesn't have like about 19 floors or 18, I think that, or 11 floors. I think that's around how much the Titanic had. But yeah, I did add some extra stuff that isn't on the Titanic. And for escaping, you will enter a lifeboat, just like during the real Titanic. But they didn't have much lifeboats back then because they thought it wouldn't sink. But of course they were wrong. And then here, and I will be showing you guys the floors right now. This is of course the deck, the top floor. And for the second floor, well, I mixed matched them, but who cares? The second floor is the engine room, which was told to have a fire, and also what's it called again? Well, yeah, this is how the engine room, what I would think of an engine room. Then over here is of course the mummy's tomb, which was thought to be on the Titanic, but not really. And if I go over here, well, the walls still haven't loaded in and everything else, but this is the cinema, and right here will be the green key card. And for the, I guess you call it second floor. Wait, for the second floor will be the dining room. Of course, though it's not much of a dining room, but that's how I made it. And then of course there is this. It's not really as much of a, or as much as it is of a well, they have, well, I don't know what they call them, but yeah, it's pretty much just like where people sleep in normal ship. And over here is the bathroom. Yeah, the bathroom, I guess. And at the bottom floor of all of this, we got the ice cube. Or no, the what's it called, like, the iceberg. Now here I'm not gonna show what's in there, but yeah, right here I added the iceberg. But I will not be showing its big size. And if you try to go all the way down, I just added a blue block, as if the Titanic has already flooded in the bottom parts. I will probably make it bigger though, just not for now. And that is my Titanic map. Now my next map. This is the map I'm currently working on too, which will be probably bigger than the Titanic. But here it is. It's not gonna look like much because I haven't really added things. But yeah, I will be trying to make a. Wait. Oh, okay. I died. It didn't save. I'm pretty much gonna be making a Hunger Games map. Right now, I only got these 3 buildings for the desert, but soon I'm gonna have a whole entire desert crossed out here. And over here will be the forest, of course, where there's gonna be some items, and if you can parkour over here. I just added that for fun, but I also added it for the key. I'm gonna be making this go across too, just that I'm gonna put invisible wall there, so because you're gonna need keys to enter these sections. This will just be like what's it called again? Like the castle area, of course, but it will be way bigger than this right now. And for the final part, we got a war scene here. Of course, not much in here, but there is this key in here. You know, this they use these in wars. They're like a Dutch or whatever you call them. And these are my two Hunger Game maps. Of course, I'm gonna add a glass dome around the whole entire map, but that's for a later time. And of course, you will spawn right around here. Players will spawn right here, around here, and that has been those and this exploded building. So this, I don't know what they called it back then, but what I would call a border now. And then if you can find the first dynamite, you are able to parkour over here. I add the lights so you can see the parkour, and grab the hammer, which will get you sometime to go to the escape door. I know it doesn't seem like much, but how do you escape Hunger Games? You break the dome or try to go out of the dome, but that's for other time. By now I just have the escape door right there. And then of course I have this other part of the jungle, the beginning, and there's one right there. And these have been my piggy maps, and I will be hosting. Well, I'll probably not stream, but I will be hosting times where I'll be playing these maps, just not for this video though. This has been Legendary Zilla signing out.